Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you how to download a Five Nights at Freddy's datapack on your server. This datapack adds moving animatronics into your world just like in the original game. This datapack adds a few FNAF characters to Minecraft. These animatronics have two different modes you can set them to. Firstly, there's the performance mode. Since these characters naturally spawn in haunted mode, you'll have to place them in water for them to go into performance mode. As you can see, if you put a redstone torch next to an oak block, the animatronic does this animation. Secondly, there's the haunted mode. To get an animatronic into haunted mode, you have to put them on top of soul soil and they will immediately switch modes. When the animatronics are in haunted mode, they will move at night from midnight till morning by themselves. You can attack them, but keep in mind they will fight back. Since the animatronics are 3 blocks tall, the creator has also added a crawling animation. If the character is in haunted mode and in a 2-block tall space, they'll go into a crawl pose. Lastly, Vanessa's main role in this datapack is to sell plushies. If you see her wandering around, you can right-click her to open the trades menu. There you'll have the option of buying 3 adorable plushies. They look like this in-game. They're perfect decorations. If you want to find out what else this datapack includes, I'll be showing you how to download it and set it up on your server in the next segment, so stay tuned. Firstly, you can use the link in the description to get to the official download page. Scroll down to where it says Download Datapack and click it for your file to be instantly downloaded. Below that, you'll see that there's also a Required Resource Pack button. If you click it, it'll instantly download that file too. To make the next step easier, we recommend you move these zips to a place where you can easily access. For example, your desktop. For this step, you're going to have to go to the Server.pro website and access your server control panel from there. At the dashboard, make sure that the server version matches the datapack version to ensure no complications. As of now, the website states it's for 1.17 to 1.18, but this may change in the future, so please check before continuing. Before proceeding to the next step, quickly confirm that the server is offline. Firstly, I'll be showing you how to upload the datapack onto a world you've already created. This datapack doesn't require you to make a new world, but if you're interested in that, I'll be showing you how to create a brand new world with the datapack enabled after. Firstly, what you're going to do is head to the Files tab. Click on the World folder and then the Datapacks folder. Here is where you're going to drag the Five Nights at Freddy's datapack zip you downloaded earlier in the video. And that's it, the datapack is uploaded onto your world. However, if you're interested in creating a brand new world with the datapack enabled, you're going to want to head to the Worlds tab. Here is where you're going to create a brand new world. You can set your world name and adjust world settings as usual, but make sure the world name doesn't have spaces or special characters. However, below you'll also see a button labeled Upload Datapacks. Simply click the Select Files button and then navigate to the area where you saved the Five Nights at Freddy's datapack zip to. Once you've found it, press Open and then Create World. It'll take a second for the files to upload, but when that's done, you should go into the Files tab. Double click on your world folder and then go into the Datapacks folder. If you see the FNAF datapack zip inside, it means you have followed these steps correctly. Now that the datapack is uploaded onto the server, you'll have to make sure the Required Resource Pack is also installed. To do that, you'll want to head back to the Files tab. Then open up the Server.properties file and look for the line saying Resource Pack. After the equals, you want to right-click and paste the link to the Required Resource Pack. We ourselves have uploaded that file to our Dropbox, so if you'd like, you can use our link. It'll be in the description. Alternatively though, you can upload the resource pack to any website that supports creations of hotlinks, and put your own link into the Server.properties file instead. Before continuing, make sure to press Save File to confirm the changes. Also, don't forget to restart the server to ensure the resource pack is applied properly. And then all you have to do is log into your server to experience the new additions. You can do this by heading to the dashboard and copying the host name. Afterwards, quickly launch your Minecraft application, and when it's open, head to the multiplayer section. Click Add Server and in the server address section, paste the host name. When you join the server, it should come up with a resource pack prompt. We recommend pressing yes so the resource pack is instantly enabled whenever you log on to the server. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from my channel. Thank you for watching!